We're already tracking thunderstorms west of North Texas, and at this point, a lot of those storms are severe. You see a lot of lightning with these storms. You see the yellow boxes indicating the severe thunderstorm warnings that exist outside of North Texas. We still have about 3 hours left of daytime, though. These storms will likely make it into our western counties. So let me show you the newest data and the newest timeline here. Between 4 and about 8, you'll see these thunderstorms really develop and move into areas like Wichita Falls, Archer City, just outside of North Texas. Around this time, the sun is setting. These storms will generally lose its energy the closer they move towards Gainesville and Denton. So between 8 and 10, look at this. They slow down. That bowing, we could see some high winds with this. So that's what we'll be watching at this point. Between 10 and midnight, these storms, again, kind of decaying, but really along the Red River. Notice how a lot of the activity stays northwest of DFW. We could see a couple of showers in the area, though. Now, as we move into the overnight hour, closer to 5 in the morning, we see the next round of storms moving in. And again, a cluster of thunderstorms that could provide for high winds, heavy rain, and maybe even some hail. We'll see a lot of this moving and staying along our northwestern counties between 5 and 7. And then we're looking at the potential for severe weather in the afternoon as well. Let's talk about this evening, though. We have that slight risk that includes Tarrant, Denton, Collin County to the northwest. The level 3 enhanced risk, the highest risk for severe weather, will stay just west of North Texas. Up to quarter-sized hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's why today is a WFA weather alert day. Tomorrow, WFA weather alert day, and it's for quarter-sized hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And then we're introducing an isolated tornado threat. So let's take you through the day on Wednesday. This is around 5 in the morning. You see that cluster of thunderstorms. Between 5 and about 7, you see these thunderstorms really weaken the closer they get towards Gainesville, Denton, Wise County, but still thunderstorms in the area. Between 8 to 10, you'll see these thunderstorms again along the Red River, with areas still of showers and thunderstorms across DFW. 2, 3 in the afternoon, a lot of this activity will generally stay to the east. That's where we'll see it develop. And these storms between 2 and about 4 will blossom as they move into East Texas, kind of come together in a line. At that point, the severe weather threat will be east of the region. Now, between 5 and 7, we could still see some additional development around the Metroplex. So that's where we're looking at the potential for strong winds and the potential for hail. So we'll be watching this afternoon and evening on Wednesday. And then look at that. It clears as we move into the overnight hours with a drier Thursday in store. Now, we have several rounds of thunderstorms like I just showed you over the next 24 to 36 hours, which is why we have a flood watch in place that does include Wise, Denton, Collin, Hunt County towards the Red River and across. This is for the potential of 1 to 3 inch rain totals, isolated up to 5 inches. So a lot of us in the Metroplex, likely closer to the 1 inch range with these thunderstorms. A lot of this activity, like I showed you, staying just north of DFW. That's where we find our highest rain totals, and along the Red River at 2 to 3. So again, we're watching the severe weather threat over the next today and tomorrow, and we're also watching that flood concern. 67 the low tonight, about 40% coverage, cloudy, humid, and breezy. Cloudy, humid and breezy tomorrow as well, with the scattered thunderstorms. About 90% coverage is what we'll see. That means 90% of the area tomorrow will see thunderstorms. Does it happen all day the entire time? No, but we have several rounds that we'll be tracking on Wednesday. Now, temperatures in the mid 80s on Thursday, 70s Friday. We're looking at rain returning Friday. Over the weekend, really small potential to see an isolated shower or storm, but mostly dry, and that takes us into early next week. Then we are looking at the potential for some added rain middle part of next week.